sound outside drops against the window pane. Mama's voice still echoes here. Where did all the laughter go? Empty chairs around the table, photo frames collect the dust. Every raindrop tells a story of the love that used to be. In the rhythm of the falling rain, I can hear them call my name. All the memories remain, dancing in the falling rain. Tap, tap, tap on my heart. Tap, tap, tap. Don't depart. Papa's hands were rough but warm, used to catch me when I'd fall. Sister's giggle filled these rooms. Brother taught me how to stand. Now I'm sitting by this window, watching seasons come and go. Every storm reminds me clearly what I had and what I've lost. In the rhythm of the falling rain, I can hear them call my name. All the memories remain, dancing in the falling rain. Tap, tap, tap on my heart. Tap, tap, tap. Don't depart. Will my children feel this too, when I'm just a whispered name? Will they sit beside a window, listen to the same refrain? Hope they carry all our stories in the music of the storm. Keep the family song alive long after I am gone. In the rhythm of the falling rain, future hearts will feel no pain. Love and joy will still remain, dancing in the falling rain. Tap, 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 never part. Tap, 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 family heart. Do you hear that sound outside? Generations in the rain.